I do hate these machines. You have to put your hand in, and there's a lot of mechanical stuff in there, and you feel like your hand's gonna get chopped off. Right. Let's see if we are in the right area. Ooh, kebab. We're doing a kebab. Beautiful. Love that. So this whole thing cost 29, which is the local currency, and feels very heavy. We're gonna give this a try. See what it's like. Very good. I was just very lucky. The location. Good. It's like a garlic sauce with mint in it. Put meat in there as well. Very good. Very good, very good. Oh yeah, that was delicious stuff. Shout out to these guys. Talali kebab. Wow. I think this is it. So we were trying to figure out the newest thing, and we found it just as we were walking past. We didn't have enough time to do that, so I started walking across this lovely romantic bridge. Oh yeah. Look at those lights. Look at how beautiful that bridge is. I might do one of those nighttime cruises there actually. Have a beer or two going up. Nighttime is the best, because I don't know if you can see it, building down there, it's fantastic from the other side. So I'll walk a bit more and then I'll loop back, because I'm tired, it's been a long day. Now we just have to get a tram ticket and let's try to figure out this pay thing. I think it's there. So we're going to go with English. 72-hour travel card. From now. Confirm. Confirm. Come on. How the hell do I get that? Okay, so we just came in this door. There was a bit of an issue when I couldn't find it. Soho hotel boutique. And I'm standing outside going, where the hell is it? And I was looking up online and I was looking at everything. They changed the hotel name and I'm freaked out coming in. But they honoured the booking, so all good. The only additional thing I needed to do was pay the local tax, which is fine. So this is the bathroom. So we have a shower there. We have a toilet facility there. We're not looking for anything beautiful, it's just cheap and central location. And then a nice double bed. And the TV off the window open because it's fairly hot in here. I'm actually going to turn this down as well. Yeah, that should cool things down. Now, let's go test out the bed there, shall we? Do the old bed test. Hold on 1 second, get that lined up there now. I'm nervous about this one because I'm here for 4 days. Okay, that seems decent. Now I'm on the 4th floor, but the window is open. That's why you can hear some noise. Could not hear anything when that was closed. Just hoping to cool it down a bit. Anyway, it's 10 PM. There's a few shops on the road. Gonna hit the shops for some water and some snacks. There's a TV here that might have Netflix. Continue watching my series, and then we get up fresh and early, have a breakfast, and then we go out and explore the city tomorrow. And it's gonna be some long days ahead. There's so much I want to do here. Like everywhere you just see something and you want to stop and take a photo. So long days ahead.